Hello guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your 1Password. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have your 1Password application. So this can be used in your phone, browser, and in your Windows and MacBooks. So as you can see right here, you have your profile, items, favorites, and watchtowers. So you can add your items right here, top right corner. You can do logins, credit cards, passwords, crypto wallets, and many much more. So let's just say we want to do crypto wallet right here. So you're going to place your recovery phrase, your password, the wallet, and the text address. So this can apply to any type of wallet right here, or password I mean. So you have a password, so let's say you can add your website right there, and even an outdoor license, medical license, and many much more. So you can do a lot here. So it's gonna recover it and autofill it once you're connected, and you use it as a extension in your Google Chrome. It's just simple to use this right here, guys. It's just the basics I've shown you. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.